Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale plugin. Now this particular plugin will convert your marketplace to a wholesale market for the marketplace vendors there, and any user can register as a wholesaler and the wholesalers can add their products and provide a quotation for the marketplace sellers. On the other hand, the sellers can quote the wholesalers products along with a message of quotation as required. The wholesalers will be able to manage their products, quotations, leads, and can communicate with the sellers as well. The admin, on the other hand, can add multiple units of quantities for the wholesalers' products, and the wholesalers will be able to create and manage the price rules. Can you note that this particular plugin is an add-on to the multi-vendor marketplace module by Webkul, so you'll have to have that first, and then you can make use of the OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale plugin. Now in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you a brief overview of the different account panel options that the marketplace wholesalers get, what different options do the marketplace vendors get, and how the admin would be able to manage the wholesalers from the admin backend panel under the OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale configuration system there. But before proceeding further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So now I'll be showing you how to become a wholesaler within the marketplace store and the account panel options of the wholesalers, and how they can manage their products, quotations, leads, and how they can communicate with the marketplace sellers as well. So here on the, as you can see right now, I'm at the OpenCart marketplace wholesaler system front end on the login page, and here you can see in the top we have the wholesaler option. So any user can become a wholesaler by navigating to the wholesaler registration page, and from the same page the wholesalers can log into their account panel as well. So to register, you just need to tap here on the wholesaler option, and that brings up this particular section from where, if you're already a wholesaler, you can enter your username, password, tap on the login button to log into the wholesaler account there. Otherwise, you can register as a wholesaler by entering your first name, last name, your email address, your username. You can set your password, confirm password, and then you can check the terms and privacy policy of the wholesalers there. So you can check the privacy policy by tapping on the privacy policy, and that brings up the terms and conditions for the wholesalers there. After reading the privacy policy, you can tap on the register button to register as a wholesaler. You can also add why to choose us and other tabs here where I'm right now hovering. You can add those sections here from the plugins configuration settings there. That are the initial configuration settings. From there we can add multiple tabs here that describe the marketplace system for the wholesalers there. So this is how you can easily access the wholesaler registration and the login page by tapping on the wholesaler section, and then you'll be able to register, or you can start logging into your wholesaler account. Now let's see what different account options do the wholesalers get under their own account panel. For that, you have to enter your username, your password, and then tap on the login button. After login, you'll be able to see the wholesaler dashboard, as you can see, with the total quotations here showing the open and the approved and the declined ones, the total products that the wholesaler has added, and the total leads there for the wholesaler. You can also access the total quotations by tapping here on this particular link, or the total products by tapping on the view more, or the total leads by tapping on the view more section as well. Apart from that, you can see the quotation world map from where the quotations have arrived, and here you can see the latest quotations that have been put up by the marketplace vendors, their status, their date added. From the actions column, you can view any particular quotation, and you can check the different messages and the current status of the particular quotation there. And you can reply back to the sellers there by adding a comment here, and you can update the particular quotation as approved or declined as per your own requirement. So after entering the comment and choosing the status there, you can tap on the submit button. So here you can see that one message is posted by the seller, and posted by you is the posted by the marketplace wholesaler himself. So this was the account option there. Now under the marketplace wholesale, we have the wholesale dashboard that we just saw. Then we have the profile, products, quotations, leads, and the price rules. So in today's video, I'll just be taking you through the different options that account panel options that the marketplace wholesalers get, and the same I'll be showing you for the marketplace vendors, how they'll be able to find a wholesaler option under their own account panel, and how they can check the products there, and how they can apply for the quotation there for the wholesaler products as well. So under the profile section, the wholesalers would be able to check their general details. That includes their username, first name, last name, email, joining date, and the last update date as well. And they'll also find the other section that has the what we say as the custom fields that have been created by the marketplace admin for the wholesalers there. Apart from viewing the profile section here, under the profile section, they can also edit the details for the general tab as well as for the others tab as per their own requirement there. Now under the products, the wholesalers will find the complete list of products that they have added under their own profile there. So these are the wholesaler products. From here they can edit any of the products there. They can also add a new product by tapping here on the add new button, and that will bring up the general settings and the rest of the fields for creating a product there. Now let's go back and let's go to the product section once again. So I'll just tap here on the products once again. Now here you'll see this particular section. From here as well, the wholesalers can select a particular product that they want to add there. They can select a particular product by tapping on that, entering the name, and tapping on the add button. After tapping on the add button, they'll see the product name, and they can add this particular product into their wholesaler listing, product listing. They can search for the price lists that they have created. So here on the left hand side under the marketplace wholesaler, you can see that we have the price rules as well. So for the product that they are adding into their listing, they can choose a particular rule for that. They can set up the minimum order quantity, maximum order quantity that can be set up. They can enter the production capacity as well, along with the duration type as for the production there, per day, per week, per month, or the per year. Apart from that, they can set up the quantity, units of quantity as piece, meter, kilogram, per box. They can set up the price per quantity, and to add more, they can tap here on the add button. To remove the quantity, unit of quantity, price per quantity, they can tap on the remove button. Thereafter, they can tap on the add button to add a particular product into their wholesaler product listing there. So this was about the products. Now coming to the quotation section here, the wholesalers will find the complete product quotations that have been sent by the marketplace vendors. So here you can see the quote ID, the product name, the quantity, total threads for the respective quotation, the status of the quotation, whether it's open, approved, or declined, the date edit. Apart from that, the wholesalers can view the particular quotation there, and from here they can respond back to the particular seller by entering the comment, and they can update the status of the quotation as approved or declined, and then they can tap on the submit button to send the comment and update the status of the code there. So that was about the quotation. Now under the leads, the wholesalers will find a complete list of product leads there, along with the lead ID, the seller name, product name, first viewed at, recently viewed at, and the total viewed as well. From here, the marketplace wholesaler can send a message back to the seller there by entering the message and tapping on the submit button so as to contact to that particular seller there. Now lastly, we have the price rules under the marketplace wholesaler section here, and here you'll be able to create price rules by tapping here on the add new button. You have to set up the price rule name, set the status for the price rule, then you can set up the quantity, unit of the quantity as piece, meter, kilogram, per, or box, set up the price per quantity, and then tap on the submit button to add a particular price rule. You can also edit a price rule by tapping on the edit button here for the price rule. You can make the changes there to the price rule name, its status, set up the quantity, unit of quantity, price per quantity, and tap on the submit button thereafter. So these were the account panel options that the marketplace wholesalers get after they have registered using the wholesaler link here that you can see. And after login, they'll find the wholesaler dashboard, profile, products, quotations, leads, and the price rules. Apart from that, they can also find the catalog here that displays the complete list of products within the marketplace itself, and here they can also add new products by tapping on the add new button. Apart from that, they also have the marketplace custom fields. These custom fields can be created for the marketplace vendors. To add a new custom field, they need to tap here on the add button, set up the field name, its description, whether it's required or not, whether it's for the seller or not. Then they can choose the field type as select radio button checkbox. They can choose it the field type as an input field type like text area, or the field type can be of the type date, time, or date and time as well. So these were the account panel options that the marketplace wholesalers get after they've successfully registered within the OpenCart marketplace wholesale system itself. Now let me take you to the marketplace vendor end, and let me show you what different account panel options do they get after the successful installation of this particular plugin. So for that, I'll be going to the OpenCart marketplace wholesale system front end, and here I'll be logging into the vendor account by entering the username, password, and tapping on the login button thereafter. So here, after I've logged in under the account panel options for the marketplace block here, the marketplace vendors will find one wholesale option under which they'll find wholesale products and the wholesale quotations. Now under the wholesale products, they'll be able to see the complete list of wholesale products there, as you can see here, and from here they can see the product name, wholesaler name, the minimum order quantity, the maximum order quantity, and an actions column wherein they can ask for a quotation and they can check the price list of the particular wholesale product. If I tap on the price list, we'll be able to see the price, the unit, the quantity, and the text section here for the particular wholesale product there. To ask for a quotation, you just need to tap here on the ask for quotation, enter the quantity and the message, and tap on the submit button. After you submitted this particular quotation from under the wholesale product, that particular quotation would then be listed under the wholesale quotations. Now here you'll find the complete list of wholesale quotations that you sent out to the marketplace wholesalers with the product name, the quote ID, the quantity, the total threads of a particular quote, the status, whether it's open, approved, or cancelled, and you have an actions column. You can view the particular quotation as well, and from here you can check the status and you can converse back with the wholesaler as well. So here you can see that posted by you as a seller, posted by wholesaler, and from here you can enter the comment and you can tap on the submit button thereafter. So these are the two different account options that the marketplace vendors get under the wholesale section. That's the wholesale product and the wholesale quotation. Now one more thing is that for example, if I go to the OpenCart marketplace wholesale category here, if for a product there's only one wholesaler, then we'll find the details like this: the name of the product, ask for quotation button there, and the rate and the order quantity along with the minimum order quantity, maximum order quantity, and the total production capacity there for the particular product. Otherwise, if there are multiple what we say as the wholesalers for a product, then we'll be seeing a complete list of wholesalers there just under the product there. For this we have not applied, this is not that particular product. So basically what you will find is that on the product page for a single one, we'll find the details here. For multiple ones, here we'll find a particular column that has been created. Within that we'll be finding the particular wholesaler details for this particular product. So this was the particular section that's for the marketplace vendors, and the two different options that the marketplace vendors get. That's the wholesale product, having the complete list of wholesale products, and the wholesale quotations, having the complete list of quotations that the marketplace vendors have sent out for the wholesalers products there, and from there they can communicate with the wholesalers as well. Now this was the wholesaler, this was the marketplace vendors end. Before that we just saw the different account options that the wholesalers get after they've logged into their wholesaler account under the marketplace wholesaler. They have all the options there. Now let's hop on to the admin backend panel and let's see what different account options does the admin get after the successful installation of this particular plugin. So for that, I'll be logging into the admin backend panel by entering the username password. And here, after the successful installation of this OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale plugin, the admin will find this Marketplace Wholesale option. Under that, he'll be able to see the Wholesale Dashboard that displays the complete list and the data for the wholesalers of the marketplace. Here, the admin can find the total number of open, approved, and declined quotations, total number of products of the marketplace wholesalers, the total leads of the wholesalers, and the total wholesalers that have been approved and unapproved. Apart from that, the admin can also find the latest quotes with the details like the quote ID, product name, the status of the quote. From here, the admin can also view the particular quotes by tapping on the view button and can see the conversation between the sellers and the wholesalers there. And the admin can also comment or change the status there as required. Under the wholesalers, after the wholesalers have registered from the front end there, they'll be listed here. It depends upon whether the admin has set up the auto approval of the wholesalers there. There is also one option to set the approval of the product of the wholesalers as well. If the auto approval is set for the product and the wholesalers there, then the wholesalers and the products would be auto approved. Otherwise, the admin will have to manage it from here by tapping on the approve button. They can disapprove. The admin can also add the wholesalers to the marketplace by tapping here on the add new button as per their own requirement there. This was the wholesaler that we were checking out at the storefront minutes ago, and from here the admin can edit the details of this particular wholesaler as well and can view the details as well. To view the details, just tap here on the view button and we'll find the general and the other section for the particular wholesaler with the wholesaler details and the custom options for the wholesaler there. Then we have the wholesaler custom fields. So from here you can create the wholesaler custom fields that we just saw on the wholesalers here. If I tap here on the view button, here we have the other section having the gender, PAN card, portfolio, about you, and the company description. One more thing is there that the admin can also edit these details for the wholesaler. So he can make the changes here by tapping on the edit button, make the changes within the other section, and can tap on the save button. So under the wholesaler custom fields, here you can create the custom fields for the wholesalers there by tapping on the add button, setting up the custom field name, choosing the type from the options here, whether it's required or not, set the status of the custom field, set the sort order for the custom field, and you can add the custom field value names depending upon the type that you've chosen here, as whether it's as a select, radio, checkbox, text, X area, date, time, and time as well. Then we have the products. This particular section displays the complete list of wholesaler products, as you can see here, and from here the admin can approve or disapprove the wholesaler products or can add new products for the wholesalers as well as per their requirement. Under the quotations, all of the product quotations of the marketplace would be listed here with the quote ID, the product name, wholesaler name, the quantity, the total threads of a particular quotation, the status, date edit, and from here the admin can view the quotations as well and can check the conversations between the seller and between the wholesalers as well. Then under the lead section, we have the lead section. Here we'll find the product leads of product leads that are basically the sellers of the marketplace. So here the admin will find the lead ID, the seller name, the product name, first viewed at, recently viewed at, and here from the actions option, the admin can also contact to the seller by entering a message and tapping on the submit button to submit that particular message to the seller there. And lastly, we have the price rules, and here the admin will find the complete list of price rules that are there, and the admin can also add new price rules as per the requirement by tapping on the add new button that we have. So basically, these were the account options that the marketplace admin gets for the OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale plugin. That's the Wholesaler Dashboard, Wholesalers, Wholesaler Custom Fields, Products, Quotations, Leads, and the Price Rules. Now, for the initial configuration of this particular plugin, you'll have to navigate through extensions and extensions, and here you'll have to choose modules. And under modules, we have to go to the marketplace wholesale, and we have to tap here on the edit button. For more details and for a complete description there of the working of this particular plugin, you can check the user guide and the live demo that I have attached within the description of this particular video there. So here you can see that we can set up the status of the marketplace wholesale system there as enabled or disabled. The admin can choose the store view for the marketplace wholesale system, and then we have 4 different tabs here. One is the general, registration, privacy policy, and the emails. So under the emails, you have to choose the appropriate emails that would be sent out to the wholesalers, like the wholesaler application, application approval, product addition, product approval, quotation submission to the sellers, and much more. Under the general, you'll be able to set the wholesaler user group, and here you have to select in which group the wholesalers would be assigned. So from the drop down, you can choose the appropriate one. Then here we have the email ID. You can choose a new email ID that would be used to send out the emails, or you can use the marketplace default email ID as well. Then you have the option to automatically or manually approve the wholesalers. The same goes for the wholesaler product approval, whether you want to have it as automatic or manually. And then you have the notification email to admin, whether you want to set up the notification emails to the admin there or not. Under the registration, you'll be able to set up the background image for the registration. So here's the background image of the registration there that can be set up. You can set up the background image text color as well. You can set up the background image text as well if you want there. Under the tabs here, you can add multiple tabs that would be visible here under this particular section. So for example, if I add one tab, why choose us, test, for example, I enter test demo data, and then I tap here in the save button, and now I come back to this seller or the marketplace wholesaler registration page, and I just refresh the page, for example. So let me refresh the page. So you can see now we have a particular tab, that's the why choose us, with the description there as well. So you can set up multiple tabs here to give a detailed description to the wholesalers there before they register as a wholesaler within your marketplace system there. Now let's go back and let me edit the particular product once again. Configuration settings. So that was about the registration, the general, and the tabs option. Then we have the privacy policy. This privacy policy would be visible here at the storefront there at the time of registration. And lastly, we have the emails that I've already shown you. So in this particular video, I've just given you a quick overview of the different account options that the marketplace wholesalers get, what the options do the marketplace vendors get, and what options does the marketplace admin get after the successful installation of the OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale plugin. In the next video, I'll be showing you a complete video tutorial of different options, the price list, and the rest of the options there. So for more details, you can check the user guide that I've attached within the description of this particular video, as well as the live demo there. And if you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the particular plugin, that's the OpenCart Marketplace Wholesale plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.udesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video somewhat helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day ahead.